Hey everybody, Steve from SolarWinds here. Today we're going to look at the TraceRoute Gadget, which can be found in our Gadgets pane down in the Discovery Tools folder. We can start that by dragging it from here. We can double click on it. We can right click and open it with context menu. We can drop a device onto it. We can drag it to a device. So for now we'll just double click it. Go ahead and adjust the size. Once we have it open, we can drag a device and drop it into the combo box. For today, we're just going to do a trace route to Google. So let's go into our setting in the upper right here, where we can adjust the ICMP timeout. We've got it at 2 seconds right now, so that's good. Our polling interval adjusts how frequently we continue to ping the devices along the route once we finish the route. Maximum hops is how far before we stop the trace. And we can enable or disable DNS resolution. We can choose which columns we want to show. We'll go ahead and show all of them. We can change the title, the name of the gadget. Well, let's click trace. That gives us a trace route out to Google. That since we've enabled DNS, it's tracked that name information and is showing that to us. And now in a 10-second interval, we're pinging each of these devices, and the response time column shows us the current time. We also track the minimum time and the maximum time since we've been pinging it and keep an average of that and show any packet loss. We can grab one of these addresses and create a device out of it. We'll drag this row and we'll drag it to some other tool. Let's go ahead and drag it to another trace route and drop it on, and so automatically use that address. We can do a new trace route here. I could drag it somewhere else and as a device and use it in another context. Also, we can copy information out of here into text or some other format. We can clear the information out. We can go to our gadget operations and do an export. So here we've got all the rows selected, all the fields selected. We'll go ahead and export to CSV. It'll use the name of the gadget -export as the default name. I've already got that file, so we'll replace it, and we've successfully exported. And that is the TraceRoute Gadget.